Hi, and welcome to the battery shop. The 12-volt battery in this Cadillac Escalade is located here under the hood, but there are a few things in the way. So before we can replace the battery in a vehicle like this, we always like to recommend that you check with the vehicle manufacturer's step-by-step instructions to make sure that you're familiar with the project, you have everything you need, you don't forget anything, and then you can safely and efficiently replace a battery in a vehicle like this. Let's get started. Our first step is to remove the fasteners and this fender brace that covers the battery. And you'll need your 13mm wrench for all of these fasteners. Next, we'll remove the fasteners for the battery tray brace. We are using a memory saver as we replace this battery to keep the computer's memories alive. The next step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need your 10mm wrench for that. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal. Then loosen the fastener for the positive battery cable and remove the positive battery cable from the positive battery terminal. Next, loosen and remove the fastener for the battery hold-down plate, and you'll need your 13mm wrench for that. And remove the battery's hold-down plate. Now we can remove the old battery. And install the replacement battery. Then reinstall the battery hold down and tighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal. But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage. And retighten the fastener. And then reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And retighten the fastener. Now we can reinstall the battery tray brace. And tighten the fasteners. Finally, we can reinstall the fender brace. Then tighten the fasteners. And we're done.